What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And today we are going to show you guys a video with Beefy.finance. Why are we going to do this, guys? I know it sounds goofy, but look, they are on the Polygon network. So a lot of people have been looking at Aave and they saw several of the videos on how I was able to farm 1,000 Polygon tokens. Guys, it is legit. I know a lot of people, some comments were like, oh, this is a scam, oh, this is just clickbait. No, it's not clickbait, buddy. How about you go back when Polygon was like cheap prices and just do the math. When Polygon was only 3 cents a token or 4 cents a token, and you have $1,000 deposited, well, you're gonna earn like 10 it's like 20 Matic tokens every day or 10 Matic tokens every day. So it's like a no-brainer. Actually, if you have more than 1,000, like we showed you guys how to compound your yields, you're basically earning the Polygon tokens on the 5,000. Anyways, that's out of the way. Who cares? If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one, guys. And if you leave a comment below saying you subscribe, you will automatically be thrown into a drawing for earning $100 in free BTC. You need to meet all 4 of those requirements: like, subscribe, bell button, comment below saying you subscribe. Anyways, let's get into it. Why are we talking about Beefy.finance? Well, if you guys are tired of going back and forth saying, oh, deposit, oh, withdrawal, oh, hit this claim, Beefy.finance does all of that for you. It's all automated. All vaults are auto-compounded at an optimal rate. And it gives you better yields. Look at this, guys. Wrapped Bitcoin, 30%. Wrapped ETH, 21%, guys. That is massive. In fact, I might just go borrow some ETH on Aave and just deposit it over here. Man, that is crazy. That's a good idea. Guys, don't take my idea, but I think I'm going to do that now. Anyways, wow. The next ones are different LP tokens that you guys can use, and some of them that are pretty normal, like the Sushi Swap one. The USDC DAI pool, it's 18.56%. The normal one on Sushi Swap, let me show you it. Look, it's only 16%. You're getting an additional 2% right now using the Beefy.finance because they auto compound it. And this will allow you to earn more SLP tokens. So this will allow you to earn more stable coins. And if you're the type of guy who's like, hey, I don't want to earn sushi tokens, I don't want to earn Matic, I don't want to earn that junk, I just want my dollars back, I just want to earn stable interest, well, you can use something like this on Curve. You will earn 25% in stable coins, Curve tokens. Or better yet, you can use the Aave pool. If you want to earn more Aave tokens and you don't want to farm it here and earn Matic tokens, you can come over to Beefy.finance and you can earn Aave for it. Same thing with DAI. You can come over here, earn 20% on DAI. I mean, dude, these are killer gains. 20% on DAI, 14% on USDC. I mean, geez, I can't believe I'm making this video. It's going to hurt the percentages. Just like Aave, these percentages used to be way higher than this, but now they're getting lower. I mean, it's like, what the pants, guys? Get off Aave. Stop using it. I'm just kidding, guys. DeFi is for all. Have fun. Enjoy. But anyways, guys, I'm making this video to show you guys there's other stuff out there. So Beefy.finance is not only on Polygon, they are on several other networks as well. And this is the Ethereum pool. I'm definitely going to use this. But the reason why the boost is up, right now this is going on for 18 more hours. So basically you are just going to earn additional tokens because they have a boost going on. I guess it's just like a bonus. So you can try it, play around with it. Go ahead and use it, guys. Also, look at this, guys. Boosted with cake. You can earn cake 314%. Guys, this is just going to be a quick video on Beefy.finance, just showing you guys there's a different one to use as well. This is on the Avalanche chain. This is also on Hiko, Phantom, and Binance Smart Chain. So you can play around with these, use all these different yields. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one, guys. And guys, make sure you do all 4 of those things to earn $100 in free BTC. And thanks for tuning in, guys. And we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 26 verses, no, we're actually in verses, we'll go back a verse, man. We'll change it up. Verses 25, or chapter 25, verses 2. It is the glory of God to conceal a matter. To search out a matter is the glory of kings. That video. Alright guys, if you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time, you will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is BlockFi. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC. In both for BlockFi and for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.